The CallSwitch Communicator mobile app allows users to use their mobile phones as an extension of their work phone. Wherever you work, take your professional office number with you so you remain fully connected with your colleagues and customers. To set up the system is easy. Open up the welcome email first, then download the app and then use the QR code to log in. To download the app from the App Store, start by clicking on the link in the email. Take a picture of the QR code from your phone camera and scan with the app by clicking Scan QR Code. This will auto-sign you in and prompt you to reset your password. Once you have signed in, you will see the main CallSwitch Communicator navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. This shows the key application features, the dial pad for placing calls, directory of contacts which will show your main contact list, conferences. This enables you to place a conference call with any of your contacts. Dashboard, an easy way for users to visualize daily call stats. You can also monitor your colleagues' telephone activity and see their status. To find out more about how to use the app, please read your user guide or speak to customer support.